off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going just under 4 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
Thank you, too. Hi. Lots of cats around that place. I saw at least 3 of them just getting out. Total for that order was $6 and change. It only took like 10 minutes, so not bad. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $9 going 3.5 miles.
Good morning, this is Anita. How may I help you? Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, this is...
Next order up is a Wendy's going 3.5 miles.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. What can I have for you?
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $6 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is Taco Bell going 3.5 miles. It says, make this delivery count. This customer tends to leave higher tips and ratings for great service. Take a moment to check the order. I'll be the judge of that.
Hi, are you checking in with your...
Hi, I had a DoorDash for Amber.
Morning.
Thank you.
For Amber.
Yes, there you are.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good day.
I appreciate you.
Total for that one was $8, and it was really quick, so I guess they were right. They tipped pretty well. And we got the next orders right away. We got a stacked Pete's Coffee going about 2.5 miles.
What's the reference?
Yeah. X100.
Oh, this first drop off is really close by. It says 2 minutes walking distance. Pretty sure it's just right across the street. Yeah, it is. Oh, I think I need a gate code though. I do need a gate code. Ooh, that's awkward. Oh, they did give me one actually. Okay, only bad thing about this specific order is it's on the 3rd floor. Oh, that is funny. Guess that is on me. It's on the 3rd floor over here.
Thank you so
Yep,
much.
no problem. There you are.
Have a good day.
You as well. Ooh, not bad. Total for those two was $11 and change. Next up, we've got a Burger King going 3 miles. Morning. Morning. Total for that one was $7, and the next one's gonna be a Muchas Gracias going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, okay. Total for that one was $3 and change. 2-cent tip, by the way. Like, don't even tip at that point. Going back to Pete's Coffee for this one. This one is going 7 miles. Ooh, this one better be more than a 2-cent tip, or else I'm gonna be so mad. Hi. Please get away from my car. know I set the bar very high, so can we get something over 2 cents? Total for that one was $9 and change. Okay, we got the next order right away. This is Chick-fil-A going 5 miles.
My pleasure. You have a great day.
You too. Oh boy, top floor on this one. Total for that one was $8.
Thank you.
Thank you. I don't even remember if I let you guys know what this order was. I was a little distracted because it wanted me to make a U-turn on the highway, but this is a Starbucks going 5 miles. Hello. I had a drop off from Madeline?
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day.
Come here, buddy. Sorry, he's friendly.
I didn't want to let him out.
He's just there. Come here.
Gotcha. Total for that one was just under $7. And next up is a McDonald's going 4 miles. You too. There you are.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Have a good day. Total for that one was $6 and change, and we got the next one pretty much right away. This is Starbucks going 4 miles. Brother, can I stop having to meet people, please? I need a pin for this, so another hand to customer. Just need that pin number from you. Total for that order was $5 and change. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 4 miles. So I am number 7 in line, and I'm pretty much on the street. I'm like almost blocking the sidewalk. Here, let me scooch up. There we go. I think they just gave me an add-on order for that same customer for Food Cafe. This is adding an extra 4.5 miles. I can go through here, right?
Yeah, you're good.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Hello. Thank you. Total for that stack was $19. Okay. It did take some time, but still really good, I think. Okay, they just tried to give me 2 10 miles plus orders in a row. So that ended my dash because I'm not taking those right now. And I am going to start heading home. So if I don't get an order on Uber before I get there, that's going to be it for this video. Current time is 9:47. Total, we are at 108. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.